5%. Go ahead, something, dude. Of course, we missed all the actions. I was awake. Honestly, I was trying to get tea and stuff, and I was talking to 65 right here would have been good. We're up over like 50 points there. Anyways, just try to hit trade 89, see what happens here. Could turn around on us. I mean, that's quite the wick. We got some news coming up. Hmm, I don't know, later on, I guess. No, here's one. What's this? 7:30. Oh, I think that just happened. There was like nothing. So I guess that's what that wick was from. Something like that, dude. Gold. Gold ripped overnight, guys. Apparently, you catch any of that gold. That was freaking 100 points overnight. Oh, man. Yeah, gold. Awesome. Big move on gold. First stop here, 74. Like, yeah, 16 points. Um, yeah, gold was interesting. I don't know. I didn't take anything, but certainly some stuff. I mean, but it kind of just got close to these levels. It didn't quite hit them here. That might have been a bit long. 920. No, that didn't even hit. Down here, nine. Yeah, oh, 9,003. I think I was talking about that on a live, like during power hour. I was like, we break above 9,003. How long it still? But that didn't happen until later on. I guess a lot later on. We ended up working. There we go. Great again. Let's see if we keep going. What's up? What's up, Christian? Yo, Eric, Sam, Craig. So, Craig, wait. So you haven't gotten a funded account? You're close though, yeah. We started. Yeah, actually, I read it as we started. As far as that is okay. Um, yeah, okay. That's right. You took some time off and stuff. And should just drop. Well, you get it, man. You'll get it. What's this? Oh, it's $6 one. I don't know. So this, even this right here, we could caught that again. I was here 3 minutes ago. 796. I wasn't paying too much gold. Attention to gold, but I got 10 points already. All right, well, we could try like something up here. 988. Try 49.83 on the 6. Let's see. It's kind of steep. It's up here at the top. Oh, there's a fill on gold. I get stopped everywhere. I don't know. Um, get us there. I don't know. We're gonna see what happens. Pre-market. I mean, and we're kind of at the top here. I don't know if it wants to keep going or down. I mean, we got a bit of an uptrend forming. News pushed us up a little bit, but then went right back down. Would have been nice to catch the move from like 73 or something up to 921, 50 points. Looks like we're gonna get stuck up a little bit. So what is it, 80.1 or not? I'm gonna move this though. Target 86. Which is 30 ticks. I'd like to at least do 5. So we were green for a moment. A quick moment. Yeah, I went long up here. I was hoping to catch like a rejection, kind of a bounce and retest off this. It did break, but it's looking like it wants to die. So got stopped just now. We'll see if it stays right in this range here. Yeah, are you short? You guys probably shorted up here. I mean, this is a good short. 950. Would have caught that. I like giving this 907 maybe, but 907 would work. We're gonna stop. We're gonna stop the 13. Okay. I think we're going down. So we'll see what happens. It's 976. Maybe under 685. It's kind of, I mean, kind of sucks that we missed what we did here. I'm not going to jump in the shorts though. I mean, we kind of broke under here, but I ain't going to jump quite in the shorts yet. I mean, we could see down to like 826, I suppose. And then maybe bounce up here. What'd you get in, Trey? 76. Should hop in shorts. We could try shorts here. 865. I know it's like things are just moving too slow for me. 65. We'll see. And this is breaking under over here too. It's 979 might be good short. Yeah, where'd you do that at? Okay, let me see. Let me see right here. You're right here, like 85. That's good entry. Yeah, 85 is really good. Actually, let's break it down. Yeah, see 85. Man, there's 40 points. There you go. Yeah, you can see 26, huh? Yeah, wrong direction, huh? Always like, I feel like always long bias too for some reason. Maybe I gotta shake that a little bit. Hold on a second. So that, oh, I don't know about shorts here now. It did bounce right up you up. 35. Yeah, it's just like slow. I mean, that gave up a good amount of points, honestly, right there. About 50 points. So I can't say I wouldn't have liked to take that, but would have been good. I was gonna see what happens. Call it balance right here, 72. What did we exit? Yeah, we didn't have a bad. After the 80. So, I mean, yeah, our stop, we weren't even close. 72. Interesting. So it comes back up. 76. I'm gonna try 74. Maybe. I don't know. I feel like I'm kind of trying to just jump in something here, but well, I do want to catch something 74. It's just like horribly slow. I miss the days. Although, I mean, that was a pretty decent move on Avakey right here. 920. I mean, that was almost 100 points last, like, what, 15 minutes? Because of news or whatever. So that was a pretty good move. And then short from 950. That was over 100 points too. So that's wild. Okay. Well, see what happens here. We got a doji. Rejection. I feel like I should take that. So because we would want like 964. I mean, it'd be a good 10 points. Greg, did you get stopped? No, I'm not in shorts. Let me look here. I'm not in anything right now. What does Bookmap says? Bookmap says it looks like it's going up. When we get there, a couple points. Melted. That's what it said. There's a 26 coming up on 26. Yeah. So even at like 844, yeah, do something. See if it melts. Should we try 76? Let's try 76 short. 76 short of gold. And then, I don't know, as far as MQ, kind of like out of luck here. I'm going to see what happens at 26. Maybe if we break under that, but I don't know. We're going to be in this box here. We could try the 844 short again. Not that we tried it before, but it already played out. So that's what I mean by again. We could try it like an 865. We haven't ordered 865, but what happens over here and over here at 844. Anyways, like, man, oh, you've been sleeping like crap. I wish I'd got some better sleep, man. I don't know what the deal is. I sleep pretty good though, I think, but I couldn't sleep last night. I had soccer practice last night with the girls. I coach my daughter's team, and it was like super cold, and the girls were all like whiny and stuff. I'm like, so, when can we go home? How much longer? I'm like that. And then everybody wants to play goalkeeper for some reason, so they can stand there in the goal all night. But we're playing this really good team on Sunday, and they like, I don't know. It's like we got to take it seriously. So it's a select team, or we're a select team too. But oh damn, so that just missed us by like a couple of ticks. Not a huge move. Would have been about three. Okay, 3 points. Not terrible. That sucks. I initially had 75.9. So that went about 40 ticks points. The target on gold, I don't know if you got entered, if you're not or whatever, would be this 49.64. That's what we want to see. Cook Dubs. Sammy back. I mean, we hop in shorts, all right? We'll get on this bandwagon, get some shorts. I'll try it. I'll try 65 again. Maybe even 40, 44 might be okay too, but I feel like it's kind of pull up a little bit. I still have more of a cold, although it did kind of already play out. So do we cancel? Kind of feel like we cancel. Oh, I'm on 844. What's in? What are you saying yes to? Are you back? Or we cancel? Oh, okay. What do you say yes to again? Oh, well, I didn't cancel. Came close again. Whatever. Let's see what happens here. Of course, we don't quite get the fill, but Eric, oh, you left. Melted. Huh? Yeah. All right. Well, there's a move on gold. Sucks. Oh, I didn't get that. Almost came back. I thought we might get filled on the second time, but no. That hit for $60. guys, this action is quite slow. Maybe we're looking at like a 72 short now. Damn, that's like low on the totem pole there. 72.6. 72.6 to 963. What did I say? 72, yeah, 72.6 to 963. I don't know. I'm getting burned by doing these kind of trades on the bottom, but it's almost 6 a.m. It was just, it almost hit it. 972.6. Do something like this. We'll see. I'm gonna bump that up. 176. Our stop is gonna be right on that line. Not Phyllis. Okay, I was about to say. There's a point. He's breaking down. 841, I think is a something. That sounds familiar, but lately it's been like 741. I think was the big number yesterday. So I don't know what happened here. Maybe that was a VWAP again, possibly, but 844, I would have tried an 844 short, and that would have not worked either. So again, we'll watch to see if we break down below this 825 area. But 820, I think, is yeah, a big area too. So we'll see. Hopefully we get this on gold, right? Did you watch this 74 too? It's kind of like a fair flag, but I don't know. Typically, if NQ is going down, then gold probably gonna keep going up. But this 820 back up to retest at 826. We'll see. I mean, we just gotta get something to play out here. Be patient. I'm going light because it's like not even. It's not to do anything. But this might stop us right here. Yes. We'll see. No. About 74 entry would have been better. Right here. But it literally just actually just bounced off this too. So this doesn't necessarily bode well. We'll see what happens. Profit trade, yeah, let's do it, man. Let's bring it down. I would love to see gold come down here. Let's hit our target. Would have been an okay ad right here at 74. Or just wait for that entry in the first place. I mean, this little bit of patience goes a long ways, right? There we go. We'd be up 40 bucks right now instead of 20. Let's see. Let's see if we can get it on this action over here. I don't know. That's still pretty low. The 26 area. Oh, I should have taken that on here. Oh, I still got this order open. Should. And this one too. Because we're up. What did we hit? almost 4 points on that. Well, we're going 50. Let's do it. That's some bullshit. So we're gonna go like all the way back, right? Might have been able to break even on that. I mean, it was over 30 takes, but that kind of went quick. Didn't even really like see it hit 40 ticks. Now we're right back above the 72 level. I don't know. Still looks like it kind of wants to go down, but what it's gonna do first, I don't know. Maybe there's like a spread. Well, that sucks. I got within 12 ticks of our profit. This is like slow. 824. Well, anyways, later, Craig. Eric, you're back. Where'd you go, dude? How are you doing today? Did you hold anything overnight? We took longs on live last night at like 796. Could have held those all like right here. 150 points. That would have been cool. Oh, just got stumped. Can't believe that. So it went from 40 ticks to 0. And literally like right on our freaking. Okay, things just switched. Go. I forgot that was gonna happen at 6. As in like this indicator like redraws everything at 6 a.m. Keep it on the right side of that. So looking at 844, there's a low, maybe 852. Still like 865. Or short. Gold, I don't know. That sucks. We saw 40 ticks on that. I mean, would have been good trim at 30, I guess, but I don't know. That sucks. So we back up here. It's breaking down over here. What did it just do? 34. That might have been VWAP again. I kind of want this now. I kind of want this 826 short, 825 short. I mean, but I don't know. We could be like way down here at the freaking bottom. I mean, you can tell. Like I'm trying to play the breakout here, right? It's some kind of continuation, and it's just getting smacked. Like I wanted the continuation down here to like 67 or 63, and it just went back up, and now we're looking at going long again. It's like I want it to break down, but we're also not below this low. So I mean, if it's going to break the low, hopefully it comes back up and then goes down. But I don't know. I struggle. So this is watching the 76 long area now. We'll see. That didn't quite get us. Wait, somehow. No, happened just now. Okay. So We'll see if we get continuation. If this doesn't hit, I'm putting it done right now. I'm not doing anything except losing. For whatever reason. I mean, this it's just this little action sometimes just drives me nuts. Because like I guess I'm kind of impatient. Like I want to get in. Maybe we should have waited for the 44 or the 65, I suppose. But I'm sitting here like dying. So 49.76. So those longs ended up hitting. But it still kind of could be like a downtrend. It could short 83, 983, but we're down 4 points now on that. All right, my cube. Well, ideally, Eric, you don't. I mean, it's the same. It's kind of the same thing. I mean, you can juggle both, but you just put a play, you let it play. See, it's going up. This is off the low. We should have put the low here. Oh, see, 976 goes. But yeah, I mean, ideally, I mean, you don't really have to. Shouldn't have to really manage the play. I mean, you kind of just watch it, right? And then it should hit your targets and all that. So you kind of just sit back. And you get two of them going. The only time it sucks is if things are moving really, really fast and you're in two plays at once. Then at that point I kind of just close one and focus on one if I've got time. Yeah, 5 points. Okay, we'll see what happens. 41. I hate that stop. Honestly, I'm gonna like 42, but it's probably gonna get us. What did happen over here? It didn't even come down here. Yeah, this is gross. You overnight off 832. That's what you did. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped again. I think 844. I think the longs would move here, but I don't know. 836. Let's just do this too. See what happens. But we're gonna get stopped over there. I think. I mean, so ideally we want like about 44, but I'm not gonna move my stop. Yeah, there it goes. All right. Let's go down to the goal. See if we retest the highs. That'd be great. 25 points. Yeah, finally. Look at that. And it just drops 42. That's so stupid. I think it literally, oh, 41.50. I was so close. I just get like nicked out. I don't know. I think it's gonna come back down. So I want to see gold go up though. Because what is this, 83? Be nice to get to 80, 83, something like this. Maybe 7 points. 83.1. That should be doable. But I don't know. What did we see already? We saw 20 points, 20 ticks. Now it's dropping. Dude, this is crap. That was a decent ad. Just want some. I keep trying to play the continuation here, and we get a little bit. I mean, we get like a little bit off the 30, so it didn't even. I guess it did come down and retest at 26. I mean, this was right. Yeah, it came down and bounced off our entry for shorts and went long again. So I want to see the sucker come up here, get some redemption. The ad at 74, you can see that's this level right here. That would have been a decent ad. I think we push it. still think I am kind of bearish on MNQ if we break down here, but this is actually looks really bad. Since like yesterday, we're still in the same range. Oh, that's kind of terrible, honestly. So we could be looking at downside all the way down. Maybe to like the 600, something like that. What do you got for a target here? Shorts. Dude, what do we see there? 20 points again? This is stupid. Maybe we try the 65 shorts. I'll just put it over here. We're looking up 65 still there. Okay. Now we're red. See, honestly, 73. Let's see if we get back up. I mean, it's looking a little confused right now. It's like, I don't know. Like I said, this could be a downtrend, you know? Like we're in a downward channel here. You see these trend lines or whatever. I mean, actually, that's the top of it. Maybe not. That's like that's, that's kind of ridiculous. I don't know. I don't know if you can break the rules and draw it from the bottom like that. I mean, it makes no sense. I don't know. Anyways, that's what happened. I keep seeing gaps though on like the 1 minute chart. I don't know. Um, maybe I don't know some gaps. Not over here like that. That's a gap right here between 76 and 75. I don't know if that's doing spread or what. But it looks like we're gonna get stopped here again. Yeah, you see that gap there too? You just can't get any sort of continue. I mean, okay, maybe these days like this, I need to like learn. And this chopping around, I need to sit back and wait until something until we get somewhere because I'm getting killed in here. Still like, so this like we want to break out like honestly like above 950 long that all day, right? And then above or below like 600, I would short 600 too. But in here, it could go any direction, up or down or whatever. It doesn't need to continue anywhere. So the only reason I do think we're bearish though is because we are stuck in this range. We're at the top, and it did reject off the top. I mean, it could keep going down. I would expect it to kind of just keep going down, maybe back for the range, but maybe this is the time that could break out and but I don't know, turns around right here. Stopped again on gold. Yeah, we saw 25 points on that, almost 30, like that, 25. So that what was that 81? I don't know what 81 was, but that sucks. I don't know if it's gonna turn around here or what, but I'm not. I'm probably gonna go. I'm gonna take a break for a bit. Let's see what's up. That's a open there. Good. What's up, Vinny? Look at that. Bounce right off of that. 76.6. Vinny, you going live at 7? I'm about to call it. I just ate a couple to the face. I'm getting stopped out by like a tick. And then it turns around or whatever. All right. Possible, man. Yeah, yeah. I'll see what happens here. I don't know. It's just been agonizingly slow and choppy. And it's like I've been looking for continuation or anything, but it's not really happening. So, yeah. All right, guys. Though, what's that, man? Anish, hey, Anish, good to see you. I don't think I've seen you before. I think I've seen you before. I think it was a long time ago, but yeah, man. Cool. Yeah. Well, have a good day. Vinny's live in about an hour, guys. So catch him there. I'll see you in chat and around later today. All right. Thanks, everybody. Nice, dude. Good to have you, man. Yeah. Welcome back. Right on. Right. Lord. That's right back green. Okay. Later, guys. See ya. You, man. 72.6? What the fuck? Fucking bitch.